Hello, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic again a cover file design, but it will be fun not for kids. Actually, after the summer holidays, students get lots of assignments, so I think it gonna be helpful for them. So let's get started. First, I did cover the scrapbook with a black chart paper. And for design, I will use this TikTok plastic or bubble plastic. I don't know whatever you say. And some acrylic color. So watch carefully how I am doing it. And here my cute turtle is ready. Now I will add some underwater plant to make it look real. Now I will add some bubble. It's time to stick turtle eyes. You can easily get this in market. And for adding the names on the page, I am using silver glitter ribbon. And now it's done. Tell me how is it in the comment section, and if you like the video then do like, share and comment, and to see more such amazing ideas hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.